here. He's our prairie falcon, and he's our newest addition to our education team. He arrived with us in 2020, so he's the newest kid around the block.
Call it too. Just
There's my beautiful nest. It's not the most functional nest, and I think if I took it out of the bowl, it would pop everywhere. What about yours?
I think I'm trying. The 1940s is when people started noticing this decline in peregrine falcon population. Before the Migratory Bird Treaty Act was created, birds were being hunted to near extinction for sport or for feathers.